Hey friends, it's your favorite certified financial planner, Rochelle Smith, and I wanted to hop on today to share a few tips with you, tips on how you can save money and what you should be doing with your money during this period. So first of all, we all still have to pay our bills, and so I want you to make sure that if you're paying your bills online, that you are avoiding all fees, especially convenience fees. So normally when you're paying your utility bills, for example, and you go online and you use a credit card, there is a convenience fee. It may be $2.50 or $3.95, whatever the case may be. Make sure that you're looking the next time you pay your bill, because those convenience fees should not be there. I know that a lot of you pay online through maybe a bill pay or directly through the company, or in normal times, sometimes you just walk in and maybe pay a utility bill. If you do it online, however, and you use a credit card, a lot of times there is that convenience fee. They are waiving those fees, or they should be waiving those fees. If they're not, you want to make a call and see if you can get it adjusted. Now, I know $2.50 or $3.95, whatever the case may be, may not be a lot, but over time, all those little fees add up. So make a call, avoid the fees. The second thing is, I want you to contact your auto insurance provider. We are on a stay-at-home order. We're driving less. If we're working from home, we're probably just going to the grocery store or to get food. If we are going to work, it's likely that you're going to work and home. So most of us at this time are driving less, which means our original insurance quote may have been based on you driving a certain number of miles. I say give your insurance company a call and just first ask them, are you doing anything for COVID-19? Most of them are. If they do not have anything readily available, just ask them, hey, I'm driving less. Is there any way that I can get some sort of discount for the next month or two, or however long this is going to go on? And they're likely to help you out. I am a perfect example. I was able to make a call, and they actually already have something in place, and so they ran my numbers again, and I was able to save $30 per month. So for the month of April, May, and June, my auto insurance is going to be $30 less. Now, I don't know how long that's going to continue or if they'll do it again, but initially, just starting out, it is for 3 months. Okay. The third thing, call your credit card company if you're having trouble paying your bill. If you are paying your bill now and you do not have any issues, don't worry. If you are having issues with paying late or not being able to pay the full amount that you're supposed to pay, or you need to figure out how you can join some sort of forbearance program or something like that, I want you to give them a call. Most credit card companies are waiving fees, and so you want to make sure that if any of those things apply to you, that you do not get hit with fees, and most importantly, that your credit is not negatively impacted. That is the big thing. You want to make sure that your credit is not negatively impacted. So give them a call. Don't assume that they know that you're having a hard time. They will not make that assumption. You do need to give them a call. The next thing is travel fees. So if you had any plans to travel over the next month or two, more than likely those plans are going to change or have already changed. You want to make sure that you get a full refund. Call the hotel, the cruise line, the airline, your travel agent, whomever you need to call, and get a full refund. And I'm emphasize the word full because there are a lot of fees and charges and handling and taxes and all those things that are part of your trip. And you want to make sure that you get refunded for all those things. And give them a call. Maybe they're going to offer you something better in the future, but it's better to give them a call, have the conversation, and see what you can work out. memberships, specifically subscriptions and gym memberships. I'll use gym memberships as an example. Gyms are closed right now, and some gym memberships have been put on pause automatically because they're closed. You can't use them, and so they automatically put those payments or those debits coming out of your account on pause. Some companies have been proactive and they've done that on their own. Others, you may have to give them a call. But by all means, you want to make sure that that is put on pause for the time being. Now, my gym membership actually was proactive, and they contacted me. And they said, if this thing goes on for more than 30 days, we're going to pause your membership. They did that. They went even further and said, we really apologize and we want to make good on this thing. So you have a couple of options. Option one, when you come back, hey, why don't we just add a couple of free months on to your membership? Option one. Or option two, let me find out what's in it for me as a member, as well as on the other end, they want to find out what they can get out of this relationship as well. So the second option was, we're going to allow you to put your membership on pause. When things start back, of course, we'll reactivate your membership. But please bring 2 people with you, a family member or a friend, and we're going to give them 3 months of membership to any gym that they want to go to across the country. And I believe that their hope is, hey, I'll bring in 2 new people, because it has to be somebody that doesn't have a membership. I'll bring in 2 new people. They'll work out or use the facilities for 3 months, and perhaps they'll like it. And if they like it, then they get new members. That's a new activation fee. That's new monthly membership for them. So although they are working it out on my behalf to try to help me out, they're certainly going to look for an opportunity to help themselves. And I think that's only fair. I'm going to pick option 2, just so you know, because my son is old enough to go now. He wants to go to the gym, so I'll let him go for 3 months free. And if there's another family member or friend that wants to go, I can certainly add them. The next thing is with regards to cash right now. Some of you may have cash from the stimulus that perhaps you didn't need because maybe you're still working, or you may have extra cash because your expenses are down, because you're not buying as much gas, or there's not a lot of dry cleaning. Whatever the case may be, I do know that you, if you're still working and your expenses have decreased, you have some extra cash. I would say hoard that cash, meaning keep that cash, not necessarily at home in a safe, but keep it in your bank. Keep it sitting, because we don't know how long this thing is going to last. And so you may need that cash in the future. Maybe your job will change, or maybe there's some sort of pay cut or anything like that. You want to make sure that you have extra cash available. So at this time, aside from paying your living expenses, investing in your retirement like you normally would, or if you're somebody that wants to start adding a little money to the stock market, of course, do that. But other than that, other than your normal expenses, your normal savings for retirement and all your other goals, aside from that, if you have any extra cash, I say keep it in cash, because we don't know how things are going to go and you may need that cash. That's it for now. As I get more tips, I will come back and share with you. Please make sure you are following me on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on LinkedIn at Rochelle Smith. And also make sure you share this video, because we want everybody to have this information. I look forward to talking to you. Until next time, bye.